Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Located along the southern shores of Shuswap Lake, the community of Sorrento is known for its warm climate, open landscapes, and sweeping lake views. Set within the Shuswap region, Sorrento offers a mix of lakeside living and rural character, with gently rolling hills, small farms, and forested areas surrounding the shoreline. Its position along a well-traveled corridor has made it both a peaceful residential area and a convenient stop within British Columbia's interior. Long before European settlement, this region was part of the traditional territory of the Secwepemc people. The lake and its surrounding lands were central to daily life, providing food, transportation, and seasonal gathering areas. Salmon and other fish species played a vital role in sustaining communities, while the interconnected waterways served as important travel routes across the region. Settlement in the Sorrento area began to expand in the late 1800s as transportation routes opened access to the interior of British Columbia. The construction of the Canadian Pacific Railway in the 1880s helped connect remote communities to the rest of the country, encouraging agriculture and small-scale development. The fertile land and relatively mild climate made the area suitable for farming, and orchards and homesteads became part of the local landscape. Over time, the area developed into a mix of agricultural land and lakeside properties, with seasonal homes and cottages adding to its character. Its location along Shuswap Lake made it a natural destination for recreation, particularly during the warmer months. Today, Sorrento's combination of open farmland, forested hills, and accessible shoreline continues to define the area, attracting both residents and visitors. With its blend of history, natural beauty, and rural charm, Sorrento reflects the enduring appeal of the Shuswap region in British Columbia's interior.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!